Good morning to all of you. Today the topic is study of governor. First we will start introduction. The function of governor is to regulate the speed of an engine when there are variation in the load. Example, when the load on an engine increases, its speed decreases. Therefore, it is necessary to increase the supply of working fluid and vice versa. Thus, governor controls the speed under varying load. Next is types of governor. The governor may broadly be classified into two types, that is centrifugal and inertia. Then centrifugal governor is further classified into two types, that is pendulum or loaded type, and pendulum type is further classified into one type, that is watt governor, and loaded type governor is classified into two types, that is dead weight or spread control governor. In dead weight governor, it is also classified into two types, that is Porter governor, Powell governor, and loaded type governor is also classified into one type, that is spring loaded governor. In spring loaded governor, it is also classified into four types, that is Hartnell, Hartung, Wilson, Pickering governor. So first we will start the centrifugal governor. Centrifugal governor are based on the balancing of centrifugal force on the rotating balls for an equal and opposite radial force is known as controlling force. It consists of two balls of equal mass which are attached to the arms as shown in figure. These balls are also known as governor balls or fly balls. When the load on the engine increases, जब जो लोड है इंजन के ऊपर इंक्रीज करता है, the engine and the governor speed decreases. This results in the decrease of centrifugal force on the balls. Hence, the ball moves inward and sleeve moves downward. The downward movement of sleeve operates a throttle valve at the other end of the ball crank lever to increase the supply of working fluid, and thus the speed of an engine is increased. In this case, the extra power output is provided to balance the increased load. So this is a diagram of centrifugal governor shown in the slides. Next, when the load on the engine decreases, जब जो लोड इंजन के ऊपर है वो डिक्रीज करता है, the engine and the governor speed increase, which results in the increase of centrifugal force on the balls. Thus the ball move outward and sleeve rise upward. The upward movement of the sleeve reduces the supply of working fluid, and hence the speed is decreased. In this case, power output is reduced. Next is watt governor. You see the diagram of watt governor. It is the simplest form of centrifugal governor. It is basically a conical pendulum with links attached to a sleeve of negligible mass. The arms of governor may be connected to the spindle in following three ways. The pivot P may be on the spindle axis. The pivot P may be offset from spindle axis, and the arms when produced intersect at O. The pivot P may be offset at the arms crosses the axis of at O. Next, m is the mass of ball, w is the weight of ball in Newton, t is the tension in the arm, omega is the angular speed, angular velocity of arm and ball about the spindle axis in radian per second. R is the radius of path of rotation of ball in meters. Fc is the centrifugal force acting on the ball in Newton. H is the height of governor in meters. Next is Porter governor. You see the figure of Porter governor in the slide. The Porter governor is a modification of a watt governor. पोर्टर गवर्नर क्या है, मॉडिफिकेशन है किसकी, वाट गवर्नर की, विद सेंट्रल लोड अटैच टू द स्लीव, जिसके साथ सेंट्रल लोड अटैच किया था स्लीव के साथ. The load moves up and down the central spindle. This additional downward force increases the speed of revolution required to enable the balls to rise to any predetermined level. Next is Proel governor. Proel governor, also you see the diagram of Proel governor in this slide. Next is the polar governor. Proel governor has the ball fixed at B and C to the extensions of the link DF, and the arms FP and GQ are pivoted at P and Q respectively. Consider the equilibrium of the forces on half of the governor. The instantaneous center lies on the intersection of the line PF produced and the line from the drawn D perpendicular to the spindle axis. The perpendicular BM is drawn on ID. Thank you.